Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Zoom tutorial, no virtual background troubleshooting. The Zoom meeting apps is now changed into a Zoom workplace apps, and if you already update the Zoom apps into the new one, you cannot find the virtual background option. So if you want to change the background of your meeting, usually it will show in the settings, the meeting settings in here. So if you go to the settings and go to meetings, you can see the options to add a virtual background to your meetings in here, but now it doesn't available. So I'm going to just start showing you also in the meetings. Let's click on the new meeting first, click on start a meeting.